Good afternoon, grade sixes. Welcome to our English lesson. Today we are going to focus on language practice. So we are going to cover a lot of language practice. The first one that we're going to focus on are pronouns. Pronouns. Pronouns are used to find out whose is it. Okay, whose is it? For example, if I say this phone belongs to Mrs. Mlotshwa, so it is. Who can answer?
Yours.
It is.
Yours.
To my question first. And say this phone belongs to Mrs. Mlotshwa. I will also want you to use the same sentence, and then you give me the correct answer. This phone belongs to Mrs. Mlotshwa. It is.
Yes.
It is hers. Yes. Whose is it? That's what we are talking about. When you want to find out who something belongs to, we use pronouns. Okay. So I have a question here. Is this dash bicycle? I'm asking you that question, Tabo and Shadrach. Shadrach, I'm only seeing your head. Listen to my question. Is this dash bicycle? Answer me. Yes, Tabo, is this?
Is this your bicycle?
Yes. Is this your bicycle? Yes. And then you answer and say, yes, it is.
My bicycle.
Yes, it is. Answer. The way I am saying it to you, I want you to answer me. Is this your bicycle? Yes, it is.
Yes, it's
You say,
mine.
you say, yes, it is.
Mine.
Yes, it is mine. What about if it's me who's talking and the bicycle belongs to Tabo? I say, yes, it is.
Yes.
Yes, it is yours. Okay, yes, I can see. Okay, all right. So now I'm going to give you these answers, okay? And then we'll answer the questions, okay? All right. For number 2, here are the answers. In number 2 that we're going to answer, here are the answers. The first answer is you are. You know when you put Y or U, a hyphen RE. When you say Y or U, hyphen RE. And then another answer is you, and then another answer is your. Okay. So you use these answers to answer my next question. I said the answers are you are, which is you and then a hyphen and RE, and then there is you, and then there is your. Now answer me. What are dash doing? What are dash doing? Use those answers to answer me. Yes, Shadrach, what
are you doing?
Yes, what are you doing to dash book? What are you doing to dash book? Use those answers to fill in the gaps. I gave you your, you, and your. So now fill in. What are you doing to dash book? Yes, Samantha? Samantha, what
Your book.
to your book? Yes, that is a question. And then dash damaging it. I said, what are you doing to your book? Dash damaging it. Yes, Samantha?
Damaging it.
Sorry? Yes, you are damaging it. That one is you are damaging it. Yes, the A has been replaced by that apostrophe there. All right. Now let me give you the next answers that you're going to use to answer number 3. These are my answers. I have there, THEIR, there, and then I have theirs. Theirs. You will see the there, you put an S at the end. There, and then I have theirs. And then I have theys, where there is a hyphen there. You put it there, hyphen with an S, days. The other answer is there, T-H-E-R-E. And then I have they are, where there is they, and then a hyphen R-E, a apostrophe R-E there. They are. Have you managed to get all the answers?
Yes.
Okay, now I am reading my question. Let us put those answers into the gaps. Fill in the gaps. Hurry up. There is an exclamation there. Hurry up, dash the bus. Hurry up, dash the bus. Hurry up, dash the bus. Yes, Tabo, hurry up.
Hurry up, there is the bus.
Yes,
there.
Hurry up, there is the bus. Yes, hurry up, there is the bus. Good, full stop. My next question, is the bus ours? That's a question. No, it's dash. Tabo said, hurry up, there is the bus. Full stop. Is the bus ours? Question mark. No, it's dash. Yes, Samantha. No, it's. No, it's. No, not theirs. No, it's. Can someone assist? Yes, Shadrach. No, it's.
Theirs.
No, it's
No,
theirs.
it's theirs.
Okay. There is a bus standing there, but that bus does not belong to that group of people. It is theirs. Okay. Yes. So hurry up. There is the bus. Is the bus ours? No, it's theirs. Full stop. Look, dash, sitting in the bus over dash. Look, dash, sitting in the bus over dash. Imagine that in this bus, there are people who are sitting in there and you are pointing at them. You say, look, dash, sitting in the bus over dash. Yes, Shadrach. Look.
Look. He.
Use my answers. Those ones that I gave. Those are the answers.
They are.
They are sitting in the bus over. Tabo's hand was up. I don't know now it's gone down. Yes, Samantha, over.
They.
Over there. Okay, I'm going to read it again in full. It says, hurry up, there is the bus. Is the bus ours? No, it's theirs. Look, they are sitting in the bus over there. Does it make sense there? Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Let me give you my next answers are way and way. The first way is an H, W-H-E-R-E. The next way is W-E-R-E. Okay, there is way, and then there is way. Okay, yes. Okay, so who can tell me what's the difference between this way and way? The W-H and the one that has no H. What is the difference between the two of them? Yes, Shadrach, your hand is up. Shadrach?
The WH is when for like you are looking for someone and you say way.
Yes, looking for someone, then you say where. And then the other one?
The other one, way. It's like when it's like you are playing with your friend and he's gone and then say you were playing with Your friend.
Good, Shadrach. Good, Shadrach. Yes, I can see Shadrach is thinking that you didn't explain it well. You have explained it well. And the good thing is Shadrach has already given us examples. He's already given us examples. Thank you. Now, here is my question. Remember, you are using those two. I have 4 dashes here. And I want you to place where properly and where properly. Okay, good. So my first, this is my sentence. Dash, dash, you yesterday. Dash, dash, you yesterday. Yes, Tabo?
Where were you yesterday?
Yes. Where were you yesterday? The first way is a what?
Yes,
It's H.
Yes, it is an
There's an H.
And then the second one is no H. Then you say, where were you yesterday? Question mark. Okay. Then everyone wanted to know dash you dash. Everyone wanted to know dash you dash. Yes, Samantha?
Everyone wants yesterday.
Please, I couldn't hear you, Samantha.
Everyone wanted to know where were you.
Yes, everyone wanted to know where were you. Everyone wanted to know where, no, not where were you, where you were. So now tell me, how are these where?
Where?
Yes, everyone wanted to know where you were. Yes, thank you. So now, which one is the first and which one is the second? Everyone wanted to know where you were. Which one is the first? Yes, Shadrach, the first.
The first is the one without with the H, and the second is the one with the H.
Yes, where you were.
The first one is the one.
Yes, Shadrach, thank you. Good. Okay, my next question. I have where. These are the answers. Where, W-E-R-E, W-E-R-E, where, and then I have we are with the apostrophe there, W-E, then an apostrophe R-E. Okay. So now here is my question. Dash, all waiting to tell you what we dash doing yesterday. Dash, all waiting to tell you what we dash doing yesterday. Dash, all to tell you what we dash doing yesterday. Yes, Samantha, your hand was up first. We are all waiting to tell you what we
did.
Yes, what we were doing yesterday. So the first one we say we are all waiting to tell you what we were doing yesterday. Okay. Then now my last question on whose is it? My answers are it and it. It's were with a hyphen, that is it's, and then it's without. Who can tell me the difference between these two it's? The it's without a hyphen, without an apostrophe, sorry, and the it's with the apostrophe. What is the difference between the two? Was there a hand? Yes, Tabo, your hand is up.
It is it with the hyphen is the starting word as in the sentence. It is your birthday.
And then the one without is it. Yes. Did you understand what Tabo said? The one with an apostrophe, that small one is standing for an I. So that one is it is. and the other one is it. Okay? Yes. That's what Chabo is saying. Okay, so here is my question. This is my dog. Dash mine. This is my dog. Dash mine. Yes, Samantha?
Mine.
It's mine. Which one?
Yes.
The one with or the one without? The one? I cannot hear you.
One.
No, it's the one with.
She said with the one with.
She said?
The one without.
The
Okay.
one.
So here, this is my dog. It's mine. The answer here is for the one that has the apostrophe. Because you say it is mine, right? And then you say, but where is dash puppy? But where is dash puppy? Use which one are we going to select there? Which kids are we going to select there? Yes, Shadrach?
The one without.
Yes, the one without. But where is its puppy? Because here you cannot say why, but where is it is puppy? Do you understand? So then it's the one without. Then the last question is, oh, in the kennel. Oh, you are looking for, do they say, this is my dog, it's mine. But where is its puppy? Oh, dash in the kennel, which is now. Yes, Chavo?
It is in the kennel.
Yes. Oh, it is in the kennel. It is the one that has. Okay. All right. So that one is our language practice. Now we want to use who, whose, whom, which. We just have a few minutes. There we can make use of them. Remember, we said we want to try and cover our Shadrach, you are now floating in America there. I don't know. You are now in America there. We are joined by Shadrach. America there. Shadrach, what are you doing in America there?
Teacher, I don't know.
You don't know. It's okay, Shadrach. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Yes, we like you in America, Shadrach. Maybe you can bring us some goodies from that side. You can see Tavo is laughing as well. Say, Shadrach was down in America now. He's back. Welcome back to Zimbabwe, Shadrach. Okay, we said we want to look at the words who, whose, whom, and which. Before we go any further, who can tell me when do we use the word whose? Whose, W-H-O-S-E. Or you can give me a sentence so that I can see that you know how it is used. Okay, so that even if we don't get enough time to finish here, I already know that people know how to use these in sentences. Yes, Shadrach, whose?
You use whose when you are asking. When you are asking.
When you are asking. Yes, when you are asking.
When you're asking something.
Yes. For example, what Shadrach is saying, maybe you find this is Mlotshwa's phone. Then you say, whose phone is this? Okay. When you say whose, already you want that name. Okay. And also when you say whose, you are also looking at that object to say whose phone is this? Okay. And when you say whose, whatever you are looking for, you have it, and you are looking for the owner. Okay, when you are looking for the owner who owns something, so you say whose is this? You are looking for the owner. What about who? The word who. When do we use who? Yes, Atabo?
When we use the word, we are asking the person what's the name or where it is.
Yes, when you are looking for a name, right? Who did this? Who did that? Here you don't know, you don't have any clues, you don't have anything tangible to hold, okay? You are just looking. for a clue, for a name, for something. Okay, with whose, you already have something that belongs to someone and you are asking who something this belongs to. Okay, and then with who, you are asking for a name, you're asking for an address, you're looking for clues, okay, connected to something. All right, what about whom?
Whom?
Even whom works the same way. You're also looking for a name. Whom does this belong to? And all that. Which? What about which? Which? You are looking for the what when you say which? Yes, Samantha?
If you are asking, like,
Yes. Yes. When you're asking, especially maybe a direction, which way should I take? Or if you are looking for the direction of a certain place that you are looking for. Okay, let's do one sentence. I want you to join these sentences by using the given word that I'm going to give you. The sentence is Mr. Mboma is the education officer. Mr. Mboma, M-B-O-M-A. I'm going to give you two sentences. We are going to do just one example, and then the rest you're going to do them in your homework, okay? It says, Mr. Mboma is the education officer. Full stop. Mr. Mboma is the education officer. Full stop. And then Mr. Mboma visited our school last week. Mr. Mboma visited our school last week. I want you to use who to join these two sentences. Give me one sentence to join these two sentences, but I want you to use the word who. Did you manage to get my sentences? Yes. I said Mr. Mboma is the education officer. Full stop. Mr. Mboma visited our school last week. Join these sentences using who. Join these two. Remember, a joining word must be between, inside. So you have this sentence and you have this sentence. You bring them together to make one sentence by putting my word who in between. Can I have a sentence that has been joined by using the word who? This is what you're going to be doing as well in your homework that I have given you. You join my two sentences using the preferred word that I have given you. I can say use who, I can say use whom, I can say use which, I can say use who. Okay, so let us join. Mr. Mboma is the education officer. Mr. Mboma visited our school last week. Join using who. A joining word must be in between two sentences. Remember, joining words don't start a sentence. You cannot start a sentence with but. But you can use but in between two sentences. Are you still thinking? It's okay. Try to join these two sentences. Mr. Mboma is the education officer. Mr. Mboma visited our school last week. I don't know, Shadrach has disappeared. I think maybe it's data or something, I'm not sure. Mr. Mboma is the education officer. Mr. Mboma visited our school last week. So when we are joining this sentence, we join using who. Yes, Samantha, you now have my sentence. Yes.
Mr. Mboma is educated who visited our school last week.
Sorry, I'll repeat again.
Mr. Mboma is educated who visited our school last week.
Yes, Mr. Mboma is the education officer who visited our school last week. So you cannot repeat Mr. Mboma again. Okay, so this is what you are going to be doing in this exercise. You join. So sometimes as you are joining sentences, there are some ways that you are able to lose. Okay, you can lose some words because you cannot repeat when you are joining sentences. Thank you so much, Samantha, Shadrach, and Tabo. Unfortunately, Shadrach and Tabo, they have just disappeared from our lesson, but thank you to them. They were also joining us. They were here participating with us. Thank you, Samantha. Have a nice day. I have already sent work on Google Classroom. Use the knowledge that we have been using here to discuss so that you can be able to answer the questions that I have sent for you. So, bye, Samantha. See you again tomorrow. Okay. Yes. Bye. It's our same time. Bye, Samantha.